Around me is a bunch of hardware that I'm gonna be putting into here, this console, so that I can build my own computer. Yo, what's up, sexy beast? It is Christmas morning, so I'm gonna go say hi to all my family. I'll be back momentarily.
Okay.
So yes, there's the gifts and all, which we will see later, but what have you cooked for us this Christmas morning?
We cooked a sausage and egg casserole and a hash brown casserole.
Mmm. Yum yum. Breakfast, like kings. You ever have doubts about how to eat your breakfast? Just mix it all in together. Then you can do it how you want. Is everyone having a Merry Christmas? Why are you on your phone? Why are you on your phone?
Choose. Because she didn't get the right ones.
Oh, humbug. Bryce got some new speakers. Look at this. There's the amp. The kicker under there. He's gonna be going down the road like...
Waffle.
I'll take waffle. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Now your poinsettias... Oh, geez, I don't have your sweater on. Hold on 1 second. There we go. That's a Christmas pup. Come on. Come on, baby. Check it out, Mom. Yeah, she's festive.
What? What you got on?
Yeah. Woo, okay, hard cut. You dig it? So, a little thing about me is that I don't know much of where I'm from besides my parents and their parents. And I've always been interested in knowing because people are always like, Michael, where are you from? Where is your family from? All this kind of stuff. And, you know, I'd like to know. Just because all that I do know is that I have like a little bit of Native American, a little bit of English. So, to be exact, one of my Christmas presents was an Ancestry DNA. I'm sitting here looking at the instructions. Apparently, all you have to do is spit in this container, and then you ship it off. So, I'm gonna do that. Alright, so I just activated my DNA kit. This thing says I'll see results in 6 to 8 weeks. So y'all better subscribe now if you want to see those results. Okay, so now to just spit in this vial and fill it up to here. Excuse this moment. Hi, Leah. Hey, I'm finding out where I'm from. Can you believe it? I'm gonna find out my family history. Sorry, this is kind of gross. I didn't think about how gross this would be. Okay, it says replace the funnel with the cap. Okay, so stabilizing fluid is now in there, that blue stuff right there. Now it says to shake it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Boom, baby. There we go. It's mixed in. Alright, so now I have to put it in this collection bag. It's now in the bag. Boom. And we shall seal it up like so. And now we place it in this handy dandy box. Like that. To ship to Ancestry. And boom, there it is. It's in the box. Ready to be mailed. And I shall find out where I'm from. 6 to 8 weeks from now. I guess. Subscribe so you can find that out with me. It's gonna be exciting. Alright, next up, I'm gonna try and build my very own computer. I'll see y'all then. And we're back. Around me is a bunch of hardware that I'm gonna be putting into here, this console, so that I can build my own computer. Don't worry about the monitors and stuff. I'm just gonna focus on this because as you can see, I have all this stuff here and I'm gonna have to take all this home if I don't build it now. So if I build it now, I'll only have to take back the console and everything else will be already installed. So that's what we're shooting for right now. I know almost nothing about building a computer. I know the components and the things that I might need, but besides that, I have no clue on where to put them, where to plug everything into, all that stuff. So I'm going to be watching YouTube videos, but I'm going to be also building it at the same time. So here we go. Okay. Alright, I'm going to place this here, just so that this isn't touching the carpet, getting fur and dust or whatever in it. Alright, boom, there we go. Look at that. You can like see into it. So as you can see, I'm using a Phanteks Eclipse P400, is what it's called, for my case. So we're ready to work. I'm gonna tilt it on its side here. Boom. So first, we're gonna take our motherboard. I'm gonna move that to the side. It's nice over there. I'm using an Asus Prime X3070 motherboard. Look at that puppy. That's freaking good. We're gonna use the box here to start our build. First things first, we're going to have to install our CPU and our fan. This fan is super awesome. Alright, so there's our fan. This is a lot of parts for sure. Now we need our CPU. So next up, we're going to take this CPU here, this little chip, the gold prongs on it, and we are going to put it here on our CPU socket. Boom. And I believe we lock it down. There we go. CPU installed. Look at all this crap that I have to put on for the fan though. Jeez. So I'm having to jump around a bit. The kind of fan that I got requires a slightly different installation process. Ooh. I'm going to now install the memory, which is going to be in these little slots here. Alright, so here we got our memory cards. The Vengeance LPX. Alright, here we go. Putting in the memory. Boom. There's one. And there's two. Alright, next we're going to be working on our graphics card. So I gotta open up this box here. Damn, that thing is sexy. Look at that. Jeez. That thing is bulky. Go ahead and slide that puppy in. I think we're good. It's in there. Boom, baby. Next, we're moving on to the power supply. The whole reason I'm building this outside of the case, by the way, is so I can do a test boot to make sure all my pieces are working before I go to install them. So I'm gonna plug this puppy in. Let's move this box. We take our power cord. Going to unwrap the power cord. Okay. We have power. Okay, so long story short, I was at this freaking computer for a couple hours. This is my first time trying to build a computer. Plus, I had taken a break to eat dinner in between. But at the current moment, I have it turned on, powered up. All the fans are working. The fan on the graphics card, the fan down below, fan here, up top, on this side. It's all running. I'm gonna try and plug up my monitor to see if it'll run one of the splash screens. 4, 3, 2. Okay, party's over, time to go.
Get ready.
Hold on, I'm trying to see what it says. Well, we know the monitor works, but I don't know if the hard drive is connected to the monitor. There's a lot of things still to be installed. I do not have a hard drive, unfortunately, and I do not have the SSD installed on it yet. So I'll probably end up waiting until I get back for all that. I've got the majority of it done though. So we shall see how this thing runs when we get back from North Carolina. Well, with that, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank y'all so much for watching today. It's been your boy, Michelangelo. Join the wave down below, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace!